we have to go to the store and get something really quick. I need to get a piece of wire to try and fix my passenger side tail light that has apparently broken again and is out. The wire snapped on it, so we're gonna fly to the store quick in hopes that we can get back hopefully in time to get it done before it is pitch black. It's typically staying dark here till about 5:45, 6 p.m. now, so that's a good sign. It's 3:30 now, we got a jet. Let's get to the store, get this wire, hopefully we can get back. Like I said, get this thing done in time, because I have a feeling it's not gonna be much longer before I get pulled over for it. And if I get pulled over for that, they're gonna give me shit about the tint on my windows and stuff. I just don't need any reason to get pulled over, nor does anybody. So make sure that your vehicle is good to go and the cops would just wanna leave you alone. Back to the good old Lowe's down here that we used to mow the lawn at. Man, let me tell you, this used to be such a long drive from the shop, but we used to make that drive once a week and actually go another 25-30 minutes further south to mow another Lowe's lot. I don't miss those days. That was too much driving. We're gonna park way out here, get in the store, get what we need, get back to the truck, and get back on the road. All right, so we got some wire right here. I'm gonna pick something out that I think is best. I think just like a regular like 16 gauge, 12 gauge speaker style wire or something like this, honestly, but I don't need a big spool like that. Oh, here we go, up here. This actually looks like what it is, so we might be going with this. Can't hurt to have these two. Those will get put to use at some point. All right, so we're good to go. I got a 20-foot spool of 14 gauge wire. That should be good. I can connect the wire now and make it a little bit longer so that it won't snap on me and break again. And we also got a new wire stripper and crimper tool because, well, why not? It was 11 bucks. Always good to have an extra one laying around. I can carry one in the truck, leave one at home in the toolbox. Also got some Welch's berries and cherries fruit snacks because they're the bomb. And we got those little male and female insulated spade connectors because they will get used. And I actually want to redo the LED pods that we put on the truck last night and reconnect them with those new spade connectors. So let's get home and get this taken care of. Are back right now. We got to splice a longer piece of wire into this one and hopefully fix our tail light, and then this project will hopefully be done since it'll have a longer piece of wire, and I'll show you exactly why I need this longer piece of wire. So right here you can see that this wire has snapped, and it already has done it once, and I've crimped it back together one time already. It corroded again for whatever reason, snapped again, so this complete tail light is out. The brake light and turn signal work, and if you look on the actual plug for the bulb, it says major, minor, and ground, and it's our minor wire if you trace it up to here. So the reason I got that new wire over here on the tailgate is because this one is obviously too short, so even with this back in there, it's got too much tension and pressure on it. So I want to just splice in a longer piece just to give it some more slack so it can ride more comfortably, and we should be in good business right there, and hopefully not have to do this again. So we got that little issue finally fixed. We got our new reverse lights in yesterday. We got our LED pods done yesterday. So everything is back in good working order except for our left front marker light, which is gonna just keep blowing out on me. So I'll just keep having to swap the bulbs out until I can get the new headlight housings. I'm still undecided on which ones I want to purchase for the truck. And taillight housings, I don't know. I don't really like the look of the LED housings that are out there right now. I really haven't found one that really appeals to me or I think would look good on the truck. So what I'm thinking is I may actually just get the stock set and color match the black plastic around. Let me show you. So I may just color match this black plastic that's around it and then get tint and just tint out the actual lens of it so that the plastic blends in and matches the truck, but then the lens itself is actually tinted. And we also have to get this piece of trim molding, whatever you want to call it, off the tailgate once the weather breaks. We do have some new badging to put on the truck, and like I said, a body shop has to get contacted for this door and a few other areas just to get the truck cleaned up and in tip-top shape. But yes, new housings, and for the taillights, headlights, it all has to get done. But we have bigger things to worry about in the meantime, and I will cover one of those big things here in the next video and let you guys know what exactly is going on with my 2001 24 valve Cummins. But right now we got the taillights fixed, and that is all that matters, so we won't get pulled over for that, won't get hassled for our tint. And just in case you guys never noticed, I do have the thin blue line Punisher skull from In-Chain Designs up there in the back window, and I'm hoping that that possibly, if a police guy gets behind me, I'm hoping that that could be my like get out of pulled over, take it free type of thing ordeal. But I'm not really gonna bank on it, but it is there. We do support them, so there you go. And we do need to get some more decals for the back window too. I just don't want to overdo it, and there's a few that I've been wanting to order. But anyways, that's gonna do it for this one. I'm just glad that we got that fixed, and hopefully we don't have to fix it a third time. Slap a like on this video for me not getting pulled over and getting tickets for having no tail light back there. If you're stopping in for the first time, new to the channel, hit subscribe, because there are some big things coming up with the truck here in the near future. Once this winter weather in New York breaks and we get into spring and summer, I just revealed one of those big things in yesterday's video, so you might want to go and check that out because it's kind of a big deal, man. It's gonna be good, it's gonna be fun, and there's gonna be more things coming along with that one thing that I revealed in the last video. So go check that out. Be sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. See ya.